Hi, my name is Tiffany Benson, and today I'll be demonstrating for you how to figure out a fraction of a whole using a set and area model in 4th grade. Let's go over some important information about fractions first. We'll be using the words unit fraction, numerator, and denominator. The unit fraction is one part of a whole that has been divided into an equal amount of parts. If you look at my example, you can see that we have a circle divided into 6 equal parts. So in this situation, the unit fraction, which is right here, would be 1/6 because that represents the smallest part of the unit fraction, of the fraction that you can have. Sorry, not unit fraction. The denominator, right here, is the bottom number of the fraction. It represents the amount of parts that you're breaking your whole into. Okay, so in this case, we would have 6 equal parts of a whole. Okay, the numerator is the top number of the fraction, and it represents how many parts you are separating out of your whole. So in this case, we're separating out one part of our whole. One misconception students have about fractions is that when they draw it out on a piece of paper, they don't think that the parts have to be equal, like I have demonstrated right here in my rectangle. But in order to figure out our problem, in order for it to be considered a fraction, it has to be equal parts, like my fraction circle here. Now let's move on to our word problem. Okay. John had 36 baseballs. Oh, we're going to be using the set model first. Sorry. John had 36 baseballs. If he gave 2/6 of them to Sam, how many baseballs did he give to Sam? Okay. So I'm going to use my counters here to represent 36 baseballs. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Okay. So we want to know how many he gave to Sam. So if he gave 2/6 of them to Sam, that means we need to break our 36 into 6 equal parts. So I'm going to start that by creating 6 groups. So here's our 6 groups. And I'm just going to divide out the rest of the counters into our 6 groups and make sure that it's equal. So when I do this, we now have 12, okay? We need to divide out the rest. Okay, we have 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, and 36. Okay, so we can see that we have 6 groups of 6, it just turns out. So now what we need to do is we need to circle 2 parts of our 6 parts, okay? Because we've got 6 parts whole, okay? Or 6 parts all together. So we need to circle 2 of them. So here's one of them. Okay, here's one part. And the second one. And we're doing this to represent the 2 out of 6 right here. The 2/6. So now what we need to do is we need to just count how many counters we have in these 2 parts that we circled. Okay? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So we know that if John gave 2/6 of his baseballs to Sam, then we know that Sam has 12 baseballs. Okay? Now we're going to represent this in the area model. Okay, again, John had 36 baseballs and he gave 2/6 of them to Sam. How many does Sam have? Okay, so I have a grid with about 36 boxes on them to represent our 36 baseballs, which is our whole. So here is our 36 baseballs. Okay, we've got 6 going down and 6 across, so that means we have 36. Okay, so now I want to group them into 6 equal parts. So we know from our set model that we had 6 groups of 6. So all I have to do is draw lines down like this to represent our groups of 6. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth. So we've got 6 groups of 6. Now I'm going to shade in 2/6 of those groups. So here is one column like this, and another column like this. So we have shaded in 2/6 of our 6. So now that we can see that we have 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12 that are shaded, and the rest are not. So therefore, again, if he gave 2/6 of the baseballs to Sam, how many baseballs did he give to Sam? He gave him 12 baseballs, because there is 6 here and 6 there.